Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report any posts on your account on X, Twitter. Easy and quick. First click here, and here we'll find the report post. Just click on it like this, and here search report, click on it. Here you can choose any problem here and click next and keep going, and it will be reported. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.